Right now, somewhere in your head, there is probably a song playing. Nobody pressed play, and you cannot press stop. Why does a song get stuck in your head? Science has a name for it, a cause for it, and, by the end of this, a cure for it. Researchers call it involuntary musical imagery. Everyone else calls it an earworm. And it is almost universal. 9 out of 10 people get one every single week. Here is the first strange part. Your brain doesn't need the song. It can play the music all by itself. In one famous experiment, scientists played people well-known songs and cut random gaps into them. Silence, the listener's auditory cortex, the brain's sound studio, kept firing straight through the gaps. It filled in the missing music, perfectly, automatically. Your brain, it turns out, is not a radio. It is a cover band, and sometimes it plays without being asked. So what makes a song sticky enough to loop? Researchers compared thousands of reported earworms and found a recipe: a simple singable melody, plus one twist. An unexpected jump, an odd interval, a pattern your ear didn't quite predict. Simple enough to sing, surprising enough to itch. That's the formula. And here's the second strange part: the earworm is almost never the whole song. It's a fragment, usually the chorus, 20 seconds or so. Looping. That fragment is the key to the whole mystery. Because your brain has a well-documented obsession, it cannot stand unfinished business. Psychologists call it the Zeigarnik effect. Unfinished tasks stay active in memory. Finished ones get archived and forgotten. A song fragment is an unfinished task. Your brain keeps replaying it, trying to reach the ending, but it only knows the chorus. So it loops and loops, which explains when earworms strike. During chores, walks, showers, whenever your mind idles and the cover band sees an empty stage. So, the cure. Cure 1. Finish the job. Listen to the actual song all the way to the final note, give the loop its ending, and the Zeigarnik itch closes the file. Cure 2. Chew gum. Seriously, this is a published finding. Chewing occupies the same speech machinery your brain uses to sing to itself, and the earworm loses its instrument. Cure 3. Give the cover band a better gig. A task that takes real focus, a puzzle, a conversation, a book, pulls the stage lights away from the loop. But whatever you do, don't fight it directly. Trying hard to not think of a song is rehearsal. You're booking the band for another set. So the next time a chorus hijacks your morning, be a little kind to it. It's just your brain doing what it does best, refusing to leave a story unfinished. Your head comes with a house band. Feed it endings, keep it busy, and it will mostly play requests. That's this week's page of the Almanac. Next question: why do scary movies feel so good? Subscribe. The answer is stranger than the movies.